It was hot outside, my strings were slacking. I'm in air conditioning, now it's tightening up. Okay, we're doing for the kupuna. Song by Keola Beamer. Father, he's a kindly man. He lives on homestead land. Sometimes he'd sing me the songs he wrote when he was still a young man, and he played in the Rio. And he played in the Rio old style. They all love to dance. The family love to sing. Sing with them when I get the chance. And they're filled with love for me. And they dance in the real old style. They dance in the Rio old style. Now these folks, they are young no more. They will pass away. I know that I'll remember them. Songs they used to play. They're playing in the real old style. They're playing in the real old style. A young man still, with many things to see. Someday, when I grow old, I'll sing the song they sang for me, and I'll play in the real old style. Now play in the real old style. Now these folks, they are young no more. They will pass away. I know that I'll remember them. The songs they used to play. Now play in the real old style. Now play in the real old style. Now play
more time, Kavika Kahiapo. Joe Baranones and all, thank you so much. And don't forget, Kavika will be out here. He's got his CDs for sale. You can pick them up and get an autographed as well. One more time, put your hands together for Kavika Kahiapo. Tell you.